Y'all have spoken, and my decision is... How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and happy Monday to you all. I know Mondays can suck. Trust me, I've had my fair share of sucky-ass Mondays. But anyways, so I want to say a huge shout-out to everyone that watched the last video that came out Sunday morning, like 1 a.m. I'm supposed to get out that Friday, do just some work stuff. We had to stay late for work and a bunch of other stuff, guys. If y'all don't know, I work commercial construction, so it was a bad week last week, we'll put it like that. Anyways, but I want to say thank y'all so much for the support, just the overall messages I got on that video, just kind of like, because I love the people, like, I love you all because you're all in the kind of same aspect as me. Like, you don't sugarcoat things, you say it how it is, but you're respectful about it. And I love that. I want to thank each and every single one of you for commenting on that post. But this video, I need your all's help. That's right. I need you all. Everyone that watches this video, or all the videos in the past, I need your help with, not necessarily the truck per se, but the content on the channel. Trust me, guys. The next video coming out Wednesday is going to be the mods that are going on the truck, so you don't want to miss out on that video. But what kind of content do y'all want to see? Do you want more of the vlog, personal style videos? Of course, truck meet vlogs are coming out. Of course, I'll still be making those, and I'll be making update videos on the channel, the truck, and what truck meets I'm going to. But what kind of vlog stuff do y'all want to see? Do y'all want to see more like the personal? Not necessarily like, well, maybe about my life, but not too personal like that, because there's like my YouTube life and then my personal life, and I keep those separated for a lot of reasons. But what do y'all want to see? Of course, like, you know, be more stuff coming on the truck. I'm thinking about maybe later this winter getting a dirt bike, or maybe possibly a four-wheeler, to make some content about that. I used to ride dirt bikes religiously way before I started driving. I loved it. That's how I kind of got into motorsports and all that stuff. But what do y'all want to see, guys? Like, I'm just trying to venture out on ideas and stuff, because I'm not burnt out of ideas, but I'm kind of like, I can't get my mind focused. I think I have like ADD. I know I have OCD. I don't know at this point. But anyways, what do y'all want to see? Also, what do you like, the more meet style videos, like the truck meets, and I'm still going to go to them, or do y'all want to see more like there's this place down in Georgia, south of Atlanta, that's got gravel roads and water crossings and all that kind of cool stuff. And I might even take the truck down there if I can get more information on it before it goes into paint and body work come 2019. If it's just gravel roads and water crossings, I don't mind taking the truck through it. But there's gonna be like mud and rock and all that stuff, and nah, I'm not gonna take the truck through that. The truck's not set up for that, it's not made for that, but I might do something like that. But I just want to see what you all want to see on the channel. Also, merchandise update is coming out in November. I have my own Teespring store. I am revamping the whole Teespring store. I'm coming out with 3 to 4 t-shirt designs, and I think 2 or 3 sweatshirt design, and anything else I can kind of design and sell in the store. All of you that have asked about decals, I'm still working on that. So my problem with decals is I need to find someone that can create me decals at an affordable cost that are high quality. I kind of got screwed over in the past when it came to decals, so that's why I kind of stopped doing it. But a lot of you have been asking for trucks and water decals, so those are coming soon too. Other things on the truck that are coming soon, full windshield tint. So the 5% black brow I've got right here, I love it. But from the black brow down to here, it's gonna be 35. I just need it. It just needs to be a little bit darker inside the cab for my liking, but excuse me. But that's what's kind of coming to the channel. But yeah, I need your all's help. And whatever help you can come up with, that'd be great, guys. Comment down below what videos you do want to see. Of course, truck reviews and all that stuff, that's coming more and more out. I mean, I'm working on some stuff right now. Life's just been really crazy right now. But yeah, tell me what you want to see, because like, she's about to get really built. Looking for a tow rig come early 2019, probably into 2019. Like I said, guys, a lot of you have asked me about the tow rig, and I want to make something clear real quick. I am not rushing into anything. What I mean by that is, if it's the beginning of 2019, middle of 2019, end of 2019, or maybe 2020, I don't know. But I'm not rushing into any truck, especially a diesel, that I don't feel comfortable with, that I don't 100% want, because the next truck I get is going to have to tow this queen around. I'm not going to have an unreliable truck. Every truck does have its problems. Cummins has its problems. Duramax has their problems. Powerstroke has their problems. I'm not particular to any brand in that sense, 'cause I've driven so many of them and I like different features of different trucks. But that's what's kind of coming to that. But anyways, guys, it's kind of more of just an update video on what's going on. And of course, asking for your all's help on what you want to see. Of course, oh, and like for Halloween, if you want to see a Halloween special video, comment what we should do with pumpkins or spooky things or anything like that. Comment them down below, and then we'll see what we can do for a video. Of course, Hunter's gonna be in the videos. Colin will be in the videos. Some other of my friends are of course be in the videos. Maybe make some more videos with Killian, of course. But yeah, so comment down below what you want to see on the channel. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. We're almost at 4,500 subscribers, guys. I can't thank y'all so much for your love and support lately. It's been unfreaking real. I know Ashley appreciates it, and I appreciate it beyond belief, guys. Trust me on that. So all of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.